Hi there, Michael Eskin here with a complete walkthrough of the Session.org Power Tools. And this is a tool that can download all of the settings for a particular tune, or for a member of the Session.org, it can download all their submitted tune settings, their bookmark tune settings, their tune sets, or their entire tune book. There's full instructions for how to use the tool at the bottom if you just click this button here. This will tell you exactly how to use it, but I'll just go ahead and walk you through all the features. So again, there are two main features. One is to be able to get all of the settings for a particular tune. You can just click Find Tune and then type in the name of a tune. I'll type in the Chaff Pool Post. I'll just type Chaff Pool, that's probably enough. And you can filter this by tune style or key if you like. And I'll just click OK. And you can see it's populated the session.org URL field here. And you click Fetch. And now you can see that it's downloaded all versions of the Chaff Pool Post from the session.org. At this point, you have three options. One is you can just copy it to the clipboard to paste it into some other tool, or you can download an ABC file here that has the settings in it. You can see it's just a text file with all the settings. Or if the total size of the ABC is small enough that it fits in an ABC Transcription Tools share link, you can just click this button here, and it will open them directly in the ABC Transcription Tools. The other main feature is to get all of the tunes associated with a member, so you can find a member here. And I'll just type my name, Eskin, and click on my name in the list here, click OK, and you can see it's populated this URL here. I'll just go ahead and get all my submitted tune settings. There are 115 of them. And you can see on the right here, these are all of the tune settings I've submitted to the session.org, and by default they're set up with the latest one I submitted at the top. You can resort them, so if you want to sort them by title, you just change the sort order, click resort. You can see now we have the Anne Maguire's and so on in alphabetical order, or if you want them by key. So now you can see all the tunes in the key of A are at the top, and then the key of B, and so on. Or if you want them by rhythm, this will put all the reels at the top, followed by all the jigs, and so on. Another option is to get all the tune settings that I've bookmarked. So we'll get all my bookmark tune settings. I only have 11 bookmarks. Or you can get the entire tune book for a member. Tune book all settings will get all of the tunes in my tune book and then all of the settings for each of those tunes. If you choose tune book all settings, because tune books are just pointers to the tunes and not to specific settings, this is potentially going to download a lot of data. And if you try to fetch all settings, you'll see it'll give you a little warning here. I won't do that. I'll just go ahead and get my first setting only. This will take the first setting of each of the tunes in my tune book that are on the session.org. So I have 54 tunes in my tune book, and I got the first setting for each of those 54 tunes. So finally, you can get the tune sets that a member has created. I'll go ahead and get my tune sets here. I only have 3 of them. And I'm going to go ahead and click Open Results in ABC Transcription Tools because I want to show you it formats them in a way that is very friendly for the transcription tools. And I'll go ahead and play one of these sets here so that you can see it's able to, for example, go from no chords to chords and that sort of thing. The links to those specific settings are at the bottom of each of those tune sets. So for example, if I wanted this version of My Darling Asleep, I can just click the third link there and it will take me directly to that specific setting on the session.org. So I think this is a very useful tool. It's able to do many operations that are simply not possible on the session.org itself. If you have any questions, comments, or requests for new features, please feel free to send me a message either on the session.org, in the Facebook group, or on the groups.io group.